Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Excited to offer you guys a absolutely stunning 2019 McLaren 720S Performance. This car has nearly $100,000 in factory options. In addition to that, in the last few thousand miles, nearly $100,000 additional put into the car. First thing you'll notice, the vehicle is wrapped. In addition to the wrap, it is also clear PPF over the wrap as well. Absolutely stunning car in every way. Aero package spoiler is currently in the up position. As you see, full carbon fiber throughout, rear diffuser, side skirts, front bumper, signature, two-piece wheels, BBI, titanium full exhaust, titanium downpipes, carbon fiber intakes, tune. Nothing but the very best on this. Novatech suspension. Fenders alone, we have a link in the description on those. Those are $13,000 fenders. Vehicle was just wrapped about a year ago. We have all the pictures of the paint before it was wrapped. Beautiful signature wheels, polished lip, machine finished. The entire wheel is clear coated, so very, very easy to maintain. We did not put a polish on these wheels at all because of the clear coat. That's what they're going to look like all the time. Body's absolutely perfect on this thing. The wrap has a ton of flop to it. Sometimes it looks black, dark purple, light purple, just absolutely beautiful color. All four wheels, as you'll see, are absolutely perfect all the way around. Huge carbon ceramic brakes. If you can look through there, no, brake takes up the whole view. Novatech full suspension. Every factory carbon fiber option, plus obviously all the additional. And as you see the purple there, very, very bright. As you see, it goes through the air intakes and everything. It gets much darker. Does have front lift obviously as well. Gorgeous wheels. All the carbon is PPF'd as well. 888 rear tires. Car does have, as I mentioned, pretty much all the bolt-ons with the 938 stage 2 tune. There's your carbon fiber intake ducts through there as well. I mean, carbon literally everywhere on the car. Get a glance of the very rare and expensive BBI exhaust, full titanium. full carbon. Beautiful door panels, mix of nice materials between the leather, carbon fiber, Alcantara, orange stitching. Just a beautiful setup. Full carbon. Carbon on the pillars as well.